If your Anthurium is not flowering, you are probably making one of these 7 common mistakes. I will tell you exactly how to fix each one of them. Reason number 1. Not enough light. Anthuriums need bright and direct light to bloom. Into low light, it can grow, but will produce less or no flowers. Place it near a bright window with filtered sunlight. Too little light is the number 1 issue. Direct sunlight will burn leaves. Reason number 2. Overwatering, poor soil and poor drainage. Anthurium will suffer if it has waterlogged soil. Wet, soggy soil stresses the plant, and stressed plants do not flower. To get more flowers, keep the soil healthy. Water only when top-inch soil is dry. Test the soil before watering by inserting your finger in soil. Overwatering makes the leaves droopy, while underwatering will cause leaves to dry. Use a well-draining, nutrition-rich soil potting mix. Mix some river sand or perlite and compost or cow manure in potting mix to make it free-draining and nutrient-rich. To prevent standing water in soil, always use a pot with drainage holes. Reason number 3. Wrong temperature. Anthuriums are tropical plants, so they love warmth and hate cold. Place your plant in a spot where temperature is ideally 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts or sudden change in temperature that can stop flowering. So keep your Anthurium plant away from AC and heater. Cold drafts or sudden drops can stop flowering. Reason number 4. Lack of nutrients. If your soil lacks nutrients, its growth will retard and blooms will not appear. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer during growing season. I feed liquid power feed every 4 to 6 weeks. Reason number 5. Low humidity. Anthurium plant loves humidity. Dry indoor air prevents flowering, so it is better to keep it away from AC and heaters. You can improve humidity around the plant easily. Mist the leaves occasionally. Place the pot on pebbles in a tray containing water. Reason number 6. Pot bound. If your plant has grown too much roots and it is cramped, the plant focuses on survival, not flowers. Repot every 2 to 3 years, or when you see roots coming out of the pot's holes into a slightly larger pot. Replace old soil with the new one as far as possible without damaging roots. Reason number 7. Pruning. Pruning is also essential for more blooms. If you leave old flowers and yellow leaves on the plant will waste its energy on them. Prune them to help the plant redirect its energy into new growth and fresh blooms. Reason number 8. It is not mature yet. Your plant is young. Young Anthuriums do not bloom. Be patient. Maturity matters. Let the plant grow. Pro tips for continuous blooms. Keep temperature between 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Clean leaves time to time to improve light absorption. Be patient. Fix these issues, and your Anthurium will reward you with stunning blooms. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more plant care tips, and tell me in the comments, what problem is your Anthurium facing? Watch my full video on getting more flowers. CTA.